Can kids catch up without giving therapies? The answer is yes and no.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I am a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. I'm a co-founder of Butterfly Learnings.
The answer is yes when the child is a little delayed in the development, maybe because of the lack of stimulation, or maybe there was less of interaction at home, and the moment he starts going to school or he is put in a play school, the child starts gaining stimulation and child starts developing well. Just a lack of social stimulation was the reason that his development was a little slow in language. But the moment he went to school, his speed of development increased and he started gaining development. Similarly, if the delay is of 1 or 2 months or 2 to 3 months as per the neurotypical development, the child still has a scope of gaining that development. But if there is a particular diagnosis, that is autism spectrum disorder or ADHD or language and communication disorder, socio-pragmatic language disorder, intellectual disabilities and so on, even if you wait for the child to develop by himself, he might develop with time, but the speed will be very slow. So if you don't give therapy, the child might develop this way. If you give therapy, the child might develop this way. The speed of development increases the moment you give therapy. So if you initiate the therapy, the chances of making the child reach the age appropriate level is faster or as more as compared to not giving therapy. So the first thing should be, when your child is delayed, consult a doctor. If usually a developmental pediatrician or a pediatric neurologist. If they suggest that you can wait and the child will develop by himself, you can wait. If they suggest no, there is a particular diagnosis to your child and the child requires therapy, don't waste time in waiting and start early intervention.